Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module we are going to learn about the important features of partnership business. Partnership is an association of many persons who contribute money for sharing the profits and losses. The important features of partnership business are easy formation, plurality of members, contractual relation, supply of capital, administration, unlimited liabilities, limitation of size, sharing of profits and losses, mutual trust and confidence, mutual agency, taking decisions, recognition and control of law, registration, absence of legal entity, non-transferability of ownership, uncertainty of stability. These are the important features of partnership business. There must be at least two persons to form a partnership, and all such persons must be competent to contract. According to Indian Contract Act 1932, every person except the following are competent to contract. They are minor, persons of unsound mind, persons disqualified by any law. The Companies Act 2013 empowers the central government to prescribe number of partners in a firm subject to a maximum of 100 partners. The central government has prescribed maximum number of partners into 50. Partnership comes to in existence by an agreement, either written or oral. The written agreement between the partners is known as partnership deed. A partnership is established for a lawful business. The agreement between among the partners must be share the profits and losses of the business. It is not essential that all the partners must share the losses. Business can be carried on by all or any one of the partner acting for all. The business of the partnership firm carried by all the partners or any one of them acting for all the partners. In other words, partners are agents as well as the principals. The important provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932 are: if Section 31 states that a person may be admitted as a partner either with the consent of all the partners or in accordance with the agreement among the partners. Section 30 states that if all the partners agree, a minor may be admitted for the benefit of the partnership. Then Section 32 defines that a partner may retire from the firm either with the consent of all other partners or in accordance with the agreement among the partners. Section 69 states that registration of the firm is optional and not compulsory. Section 35 states that unless otherwise agreed by the partners in the partnership deed, a firm is dissolved on the death of a partner. It should not be noted that the above provisions of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 are applied when partnership deed does not exist or where it exists but it does not have a clause to its effects. The next we are going to learn about the important liabilities of the partners. The important liabilities of the partners are: first one, if a partner carries on a business that is similar to that of the firm in competition with the firm and earns the profits from it, the profit earned from such business shall be paid by the firm. Then second liability is if a partner earns profit for himself from any transaction of the firm or from the use of the firm's property or business connection, the profit so earned shall be paid to the firm. For example, a partner gets commission from the buyer of the goods on goods sold by the firm, the commission so earned shall be paid to the firm. These are the important liabilities of the partners.